Now let us see how we are using this read Excel method to get the values from the Excel. So I have created test data reader package. Inside that I have created a read Excel file.java class. Let's navigate to that class. So already I have copied the code. I will explain to you. So here I am creating file array list and input stream. Here I am creating workbook sheet and iterator. So here in this class I am going to pass the parameters. Here I am going to import the file here. So this file path refers to the Excel file, sheet name and file name. We are going to use that. So this is the common syntax to get the file. I am going to import the file from java.util. So the error got cleared for file. Next I am going to import for array list. I am importing from java.util. Importing the hash map from java.util. Once we have taken the file path Excel, we need to read that one. So for that we are adding this line. So I am importing that file input stream. So that got successfully imported. So we are going to use workbook. So these are Excel functionalities. You need to download the jar apart from Selenium jar files. So this will not come under normal Selenium jar. So we have to download a separate jar, that is Apache POI jar. You can go to this site and you can download this jar. So here I have already downloaded. I need to configure this in this our Selenium framework. So going to build path, configure build path, add external jars. I need to find the location where I have downloaded the jars, select that and click open. So that will be associated to our framework. Once you are associated, then you can import it here. Apache POI SS user model. I have imported the workbook. Next I have import for sheet. There is two import SS and SI. I am selecting S for SS, not SI. Again I need to select import the iterator from java.util. What these three set of lines will do is, let me import the row also from SS. So this is workbook, this is worksheet and this is row. So what these three set of lines is going to do is, once the file what you have imported, it will be coming to this workbook. We are accessing it through this file input stream. From this workbook it is going to, I am declaring the sheet here. So this is going to refer a particular sheet in this workbook based on the sheet name what we have given. The sheet name what we have passed here, that will come under the automate sheet. So from this automate sheet I am going to pass this iterator. Suppose you have the sheet with 5 rows and my iterator row value will be S5. So here I have declared a while loop. So this iterator value is 5. So this while loop is going to run for 5 times. So till now what we have done is, we have taken the Excel file path and input stream we have declared, converted into a readable format. So from that input stream we have taken into workbook, worksheet and a particular row. So for the number of rows we are running a while loop. So inside this while loop, what it is going to do is, so we have created a new hash map to take the data from the Excel. That is a hash map. So this we added to go for next row. So for each iteration it is going for next row. So for each iteration it is going to run this for loop. Let's say it will run for 5 times. So for a particular row there is 5 rows and 4 columns. So this is going to run for each row and each column. So till the last column this for loop is going to run. So this is for run for all the rows and this is to run for all the columns that is available in the Excel. So here I am to take the heading, the first row of Excel. I go set the column name. Let's suppose the column name is name, test run, books. If that is the column name, that will be stored in the string heading. Next is the cell value. The cell value corresponding to the particular column will be stored here. I'm just going to just map this one in the Excel data hash map what we have declared here. I'm just mapping it to the heading. So this is just a hash map where I'm putting all the values. So every row, every column that will be data will be mapped here with a cell value that has the heading from the Excel. There is an error in cell value, so let us declare that one with the empty value. I have declared that one. So once the for loop has been run for each row and each column, so this particular data hash map will be having the heading and value. So that is data mapped to the Excel data array. So this array is what we have declared previously. So we are going to return this Excel data array through this class. So what this read Excel file is called, all the data available in the Excel will be called in this particular class. So from here the value is going to come here, and from here, as previously explained through this particular annotation with the name as tool data as reference, the values are being passed here. So from here likewise data.name, by using this code data.getName, we are taking the values from the Excel to the code here. The code will be available in the GitHub. I will have given in the description, so you can take from there. You can get it from the description. Importing IO. Now there is no error. Let's try running this one. So here there is no error. So we successfully taken the data from the Excel. We have created this read Excel file to take the value from the Excel and to pass in this LM framework. So here like this we have taken the value. So from now, from the driver, we need to pass it in the home page. I need to pass this value from the driver to the home page. I need to pass the value to here. So here the hard coded value. I need to pass the value from the Excel to here. So we can do this. Data.get books, the column name of the Excel. Similarly, I replace for other methods also. Purchase laptop, data.get laptops. Laptop is the column name in the Excel. I am taking the value from there. Similarly, I am going to replace it for purchase mobile method also. Data.get mobiles. The column name is mobile. Mobile phone. So these are the columns that is being used in the Excel. We are going to take the data from the Excel to here. So how I can pass this data from this driver into this home page? I need to pass this through this object. I am going to pass it as a parameter here to the home page. I am declaring the particular data here in the home page, and I am adding it in the constructor also. So this home page constructor is having two parameters. Similarly, we have got the home page that has two parameters. I'm going to import this hash map that is throwing error. Saving the file homepage.class. So the error got cleared. Here I need to pass the data in the super. Similarly, this dot data I need to give. Since the home page is related to the functional library, similar changes has to be done in the functional library also. So the functional library also I have added this parameter, and I'm saving that one. So the error got clear. Yes. So now we have taken the data from the Excel and we are passing in the decide page by creating the constructor, by passing the value in the constructor. So we have passed the value in the Excel where we need.